Welcome back. Today we're going to continue exploration of the if this then that platform. If you haven't already seen the tutorials on Trello, that's where we cover the basics of the Ifttt options before us today. So in this tutorial, we're going to create a series of applets to help automate processes for us. The first one we're going to create really taps into the Data Access Project by Ifttt. And the Data Access Project pulls in public feeds of information that we can access, feeds from organizations and the government. And it covers a whole variety of topics, everything from cybersecurity to the economy, healthcare to travel alerts. So there's lots of information available out there. One of the challenges people tend to have is being able to filter through it. So we're going to show you how Ifttt can help you filter through some of the noise and receive information on the topics that are most important to you. For this example, we're going to tap into the American Psychological Association. They have a couple different options here. The one we're going to select today is whenever a new article from the Monitor on Psychology is published, and our interest area is the autism spectrum. And so we're going to use that as our trigger, our keyword. And then we could have it sent to our email, notification sent to our email, but I would rather have it sent to my phone since it already filters through the content. And we're going to send ourselves a rich notification. Now, this particular applet requires that you have the Ifttt app installed on your phone. If you don't, you can either install it or you can go back and type in push notifications, and you'll have a couple other options there. So we're going to just move down this form. We'll leave this as Monitor on Psychology. This is a little long for a phone notification, so I'm going to go ahead and shorten that. And we'll have the title, but I also would like to add to that a content preview. So we just insert that, and then we create the action, and we are done. So every time the APA publishes a new article on the Monitor related to autism, we'll get a push notification on our phone. Next up, we're going to look at sending ourselves a push notification on our phone when we receive an important email that we don't want to miss. So this is a great option, for example, if you have someone who's higher up at UC Davis Health, and you know their emails are always important and you don't want to miss it, you can use this applet. It works with both Outlook and Gmail. So let's go ahead and start setting this one up. Okay, so we can either select a specific email address or a priority, which you can set up in Outlook. We'll go ahead and do from a specific email address. Okay, so that is the trigger. And now we're going to pick the notification to our phone. We'll send a rich notification. We have the title is the sender's address, the sender name, the subject, and we can also add another ingredient, which will be, let's just do a preview here. There we go. And then we create the action. Now we will never miss an email from whatever email address that you inserted into this applet. In this final applet, we're going to show you how to set up a notification, an automated notification to let your significant other at home know that you're leaving work. So we're already on the Create Applet screen, and we're going to look for location. And you can either have enter an area, exit an area, etc. We'll go ahead and I want to let my partner know that I'm leaving work, so I'm just going to enter in our location. There we go. That's our trigger. So anytime we leave UCDMC, your significant other will receive an SMS message. To do that, we're going to be utilizing a service called ClickSend. Now, this does require a sign up for their service, but there is no fee associated with it. So you'll have to take an extra step that I've already taken. I'm going to send an SMS and we'll type in the number here. And then you can just put your name. And so you can already see the message. You exited an area occurred at blank via wherever the map URL is located. We're going to create that action. And now every time I leave work, my spouse will be notified that I'm leaving and on my way home. Thanks for watching.